Good day! Today's Mathematics 8 topic is all about the Exterior Angle Inequality Theorem. Looking into this topic, let us now recall some of its basic concepts. Exterior Angle Theorem. An exterior angle of a triangle is formed by any side of a triangle and the extension of its adjacent side. The Exterior Angle Theorem states that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Let's take a look at this. Exterior Angle Theorem. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. That is, if angle D is the exterior angle and angles A and B are the two opposite interior angles, in symbols, that is, D is equal to A plus B. Using the exterior angle theorem to solve problems. Example, find the values of x and y in the following triangle, wherein the measure of the exterior angle is 92 degrees and the measure of the interior angles are 50 degrees, x and y. Let us now discuss the solution. Since the exterior angle measures 92 degrees and the remote interior angles are x and 50 degrees, thus x plus 50 degrees is equal to 92 degrees. That is, the sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Solving now for the value of x would become x is equal to 92 degrees minus 50 degrees. Thus, the value of x would become 42 degrees. Let us now proceed in solving for the value of y. Remember, y is the interior angle. And remember, the measure of the exterior angle adjacent to the interior angle y is 92 degrees. Thus, y plus 92 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Solving now for the value of y is equal to 180 degrees minus 92 degrees is equal to 88 degrees. We have now solved for the values of x and y. Remember, our x is equal to 42 degrees and our y is equal to 88 degrees. Let us now proceed to the discussion that would lead us to the understanding of the Exterior Angle Inequality Theorem. Let us now proceed to the discussion. Remember, each exterior angle has two remote interior angles. The remote interior angles refers to the two angles on the inside of the triangle that are not touching the exterior angle. Think of them as the far away inside angles. They are on the other side of the triangle, away from the exterior angle. Looking into the illustration, angle 4 is the exterior angle. Thus, angles 1 and 2 are the remote interior angles. They are the two interior angles that do not touch the exterior angle. Now think about this. Exterior Angle Inequality Theorem says the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either remote interior angle. Looking back to our previous example, remember that our exterior angle measures 92 degrees. Our interior angles 50 degrees, x and y. But remember, 50 degrees and x are our remote interior angles, and y is our adjacent interior angle. Assigning now numbers to each angle, let us say, the measure of angle 1 is equal to 50 degrees. The measure of angle 2 will become y. The measure of angle 3 is x. And the measure of angle 4 is equal to 92 degrees. Now, your task. Compare the measures of the angles using inequality symbols and state your observations with regards to the interior as well as to the remote interior angles as compared to the exterior angle. Number 1. The measure of angle 1 blank the measure of angle 4. Number 2. The measure of angle 2 blank the measure of angle 4. And number 3. The measure of angle 3 blank the measure of angle 4. After comparing the measures of the angles with regards to the interior angles and exterior angle as well as to the remote interior angles and to the exterior angles, can't you write down your observations? Remember, Exterior Angle Inequality Theorem. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either remote interior angle. Now let's proceed for your task. For you to do, let us try. Find the measure of each angle. Then compare the measures by completing the statement. The illustration is given at the right. Now, how can we relate the concepts of exterior angle inequality theorem in our lives? Can you now discuss exterior angle inequality theorem? For your individual task, direction, you are going to refer to the learner's material activity number 14, entitled Proving the Exterior Angle Inequality Theorem on pages 413. In your individual task, the given is triangle LMN with exterior angle LNP. You are going to prove that the measure of angle LNP is greater than the measure of angle MLN. The illustration is given below. To help you in your task, here's the proof. Let us prove that the measure of angle LNP is greater than the measure of angle MLN by constructing the following. Number 1. Midpoint Q, segment LQ is equal to segment NQ. Number 2. Segment MR through point Q such that segment MQ is equal to segment QR. And that would be all for our topic, Exterior Angle Inequality Theorem. This is Teacher Joan saying thank you for viewing this video.